Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Sui. Wanted to make a video on Sui. I mean, right now the by far the strongest coins, as you can see. Well, not all of them, but a lot of strong coins are something like Peanuts and just in general a lot of meme coins. So I also wanted to make a video on a little bit of a more serious project here on Sui. I know a lot of people are still interested in that, and Sui is also still doing great. I mean, TVL is still increasing every single day, even though the price is consolidating. So what that means is that there's real ecosystem growth, right? Because if the TVL goes up with the price, that's logical, because a lot of the value that's locked, or a lot of the tokens that are locked on a chain, are in the native token. But if the price stays the same, which has been the case since Sunday, and the TVL keeps going up, right now it's at $1.5 billion, what that means is that there's real growth, right? So fundamentally that's bullish. DEX trading volumes are also still very high. Daily active addresses, daily transactions is not something you should look at, in my opinion. That can be distorted very easily. Sui has now surpassed Avalanche right here, as you can see. I'm not sure what market cap Avalanche actually has at the moment. Yeah, no, it's yeah. So I mean, if you just look at this in terms of TVL, in terms of network, Sui is bigger than Avalanche. Avalanche still has a market cap much higher. Or much higher. It's like, what is it? 60-70% higher or so. So in general, I still think Sui has much more potential to go up, right? So then we're talking about price targets of potentially $4, $5, 4.5, the big psychological resistance levels basically. But that's on the longer time frame. On the shorter time frame, we've been consolidating, all right? Sui right now is basically consolidating right here between 2.85 and 3.3. And just because I fundamentally think that Sui is going higher in the next couple of months does not mean that I think we're going higher right now. No, if we actually look at Sui right now, you can actually see that basically since Sunday, which is relatively early if you compare to other altcoins, since Sunday we've lost momentum. We've lost some volume as well. So we're just consolidating here. And that consolidation, especially with news that we have today of the inflation rate data coming out, in my eyes, and Bitcoin also finding some resistance here, Bitcoin also de-risking a bit, in my eyes, that makes it almost a 50-50 scenario whether we are going to break out to the upside. So basically break above 3.3 and rally up towards, well, let's be conservative, 3.75. Where's the 1.618? Yeah, 3.7, 3.65. Let's keep that as a conservative price target. But basically that bullish breakout to me seems almost as likely as just getting a deeper pullback into some sort of a level a little bit lower here at 2.75, or potentially this level right here around 2.55. And for me personally, and that's a real thing, right? I mean, the open interest in the markets right now is still very high. And then usually if there's uncertainty, such as a major news event, such as the inflation rate, which it's not guaranteed that that's going to make the market move, but it certainly could, depending on the outcome. For me, the most interesting buy area for Sui is 2.55. All right, so that's when I'll buy. If we actually do get some sort of a bearish breakout here, some sort of a spike down, I will buy spot Sui right here with a stop loss below like 2.3 as kind of the last support level that can hold. But those are my plans. And I think that bearish breakout is actually more likely. I mean, essentially what you have to wait for right now is the consolidation to break, is for the consolidation to break. And me predicting whether we're going to get a bullish breakout or bearish breakout should not help you. Just wait for the consolidation to break and then make a decision based on that. And if you really want my prediction, I would say it's most likely that we will stay in the consolidation for now, but that we will have a pullback a little bit deeper into 2.75, hopefully into 2.55 later. And then from there, we'll consolidate and start a trend back up again. Those are my thoughts. That's my full prediction. But I'll keep you updated on that. If any breakouts is close to happening, I'll let you know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.